Hello everybody. In the previous lecture, we have discussed rigid rotator and we assumed that the diatomic molecule is rigid. It means that the distance between the center of nuclei, that is fixed, or the bond length is fixed, and there can be no vibration because the atoms cannot move away from their center. Okay, so this distance, equilibrium distance, that is fixed, and the molecule can rotate about an axis perpendicular to the bond length passing through the center of mass. So only rotational motion was allowed, and this was the outcome. The rotational energy was found quantized. Okay, so here in this lecture we will discuss the practicality or the real issues related with the diatomic molecule. In practical, the molecule is not rigid, so R is not fixed. So the rotator or diatomic molecule, that is non-rigid. So vibrations are possible along the internuclear axis. So if these are the atoms and these are the center of nuclei, this is the internuclear axis, and this is the center of mass. Let this point is O. So without changing the center of mass, the center of first atom, and let this point is O1 and this point is O2, and the center of mass is at point O. So this atom can vibrate about the mean position O1, and second atom can vibrate about the mean position O2 without changing the center of mass. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, अगर O1 पार्टिकल उधर जा रहा है तो O2 उधर जाएगा. Okay, and if O1 moves closer to the center of mass, then O2 भी center of mass के close move करेगा, but the position of center of mass will remain fixed, because here we are not to discuss the translational motion. Now we are to see what kind of vibrations can be set in the molecule. It can be harmonic and it can be enharmonic. What is harmonic vibration, what is enharmonic vibration, we will discuss them later. So here our purpose is just to discuss the practicality, the reality associated with the diatomic molecule. So we found from this discussion that R is not fixed. It means not only rotational motion is associated with the diatomic molecule, vibrational motions can also be there. And one more fact is here that if the molecule start rotating, if R is not fixed, mean to say, we want to say that the molecule is flexible. Okay, so the change in the radius can be due to the external force. Suppose हम किसी सबस्टेंस को कंप्रेस करते हैं तो जो इंटरन्यूक्लियर सेपरेशन है दैट विल डिक्रीज, और अगर आप उसको स्ट्रेच करेंगे तो इंटरन्यूक्लियर सेपरेशन है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, तो उस केस में जो आर है वो चेंज होगा. अनदर फैक्ट इज, सपोज this is one particle is present here and another is here, and it start rotating about an axis passing through center of mass, then what will happen? There will be a pull on both masses m1 and m2 in outward direction, that is called centrifugal force, and there this centrifugal force will act like a stretching force. Okay, with increase in rotation, the centrifugal force goes on increasing. It means the bond length will increase, the इंटरन्यूक्लियर सेपरेशन R इट विल इंक्रीज. तो अगर ये इंक्रीज होगा तो इसका मतलब मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया है जो वो भी क्या होगा, वो भी इंक्रीज होगा. इट इज आल्सो नॉट फिक्स. तो इसका मतलब हुआ रोटेशनल एनर्जी है जो इसमें आपका मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया आता है तो ये भी आपका चेंज होगा. समझ पा रहे हैं? सो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड द प्रैक्टिकल डाइएटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूल. So this is the reason that the spectrum which we obtain from theoretical analysis of rigid rotator do not match with the experimental observation of the practical diatomic molecules spectrum. So in this lecture now we will conclude. In this lecture we discussed that R is not fixed, so it may lead to vibrational energy, and the causes are rotation, okay, and the temperature increase in temperature will give it a kind of thermal expansion. There will be a stretching and R will also increase in this case. And the another fact is with rotation the centrifugal force increases which stretch the actual size of the molecule. So the energy levels get shifted by somewhat amount. In the next lecture I will tell you by how much amount the energy levels shift. Thank you for watching the lecture.